And look what we have. Clear taillights for your 1993 to 2002. Yes, I said 93 to 2002. We have grids sitting here. I'm going to show you in a minute. Taillights. Been a super long journey, but it ends with full production cast housings. It ends with nice clear honeycomb lenses. Obviously this is a pair. What we have here is our sample sets. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 total sample sets in our hands. So stay tuned, I'm going to show you all of them. Finally, we were able to prove it. There was a couple lines on some grids and I think some things we were changing. But these are full production housing sample sets. Factory lighting sockets work, all that good stuff. Has your factory trim piece up here. These are super dirty because they've been in the shop and it's the end of the day, as always. And I don't have anything to clean them with. Everything I touch gets them more dirty. So I just want to go through these and show you. All right, so these are our taillights that started it all. Clear honeycombs. We have clear honeycombs with a nice clear reverse with a super nice chrome inside. That's actually a water plating chrome, so water chroming they actually call it. So these are nicer than factory. They're going to last longer than factory. And you can change the styles. So that was our 98 to 02 clear honeycomb. Let me show you next our 98 to 02 red honeycomb. Here you go. So we're just looking for that OEM look. We got that nice and shiny chrome in there. And then this is just your traditional red honeycomb. And you can see how much it already reflects just in this lighting by itself. So full housings, once again. These are our OEM style 98 to 02 red honeycomb. All right, so next I'm gonna grab our next most popular, same red honeycomb, but with bird. So these have been popular for a while. We honestly sell these 2 to 1 of any other lenses. In case you didn't hear me say it 100 times, this is our red 98 to 02 with bird. Now you can bolt these onto any 93 to 97s as well. I think you change the wiring harness up a little bit, but all of these will bolt in. It's the same physical dimensions and all that good stuff. Here we just took the 98 to 02 style red honeycomb and added the 98 to 02 style bird in it. I don't think I have any here today, but we do also offer this with the 93 to 97 style bird in honeycomb and in grid, which I don't have either. But we do have some red grids to show you. So let's keep moving here. Let you see red honeycomb with the bird in all of its beauty. While we're doing that, let's just stick with these. I'll show you the clear honeycomb with bird now. All right, and next we have 98 to 02 clear honeycomb, but with the bird. These guys just look so pretty. These are on a drag car and it just looked freaking amazing with like the parachute right there. These are probably my favorite. Clear honeycomb with the bird. And then you got 3 birds in the back, or we can always change your filler panel to something besides a bird. But again, these are like the full housings that are dirty. So full housings, clear honeycomb with bird. And the next set is not for everybody, but it's for that special someone, especially on an anniversary date. I can't figure out a way to transition here, but next up, we're gonna keep the bird theme going. And I've got some yellow CETA style. You know what, I'm gonna stop trying to be funny and I'm just gonna show you the product because it's super late and I'm tired. So we showed you the red honeycomb with the bird. We showed you the clear honeycomb with the bird. Now let me show you some yellow honeycomb with the bird. It's the CETAs. So yellow honeycomb with the bird. If you use red lights, this is still gonna light up just fine as far as brake lights are concerned. Of course, that comes with 1 for each side. Not for every car, but the car it's for is gonna be a freaking showstopper. Just imagine some amazing badass CETA sporting these guys in the back. Again, same thing, beautiful clear, reverse light, chrome. So looking just like GM took the time to do something super duper cool for the CETA anniversary cars. Some yellow tail lights. All right, so we've been a little LS heavy. Let me grab some grids for you and I will be back. Over here. So when I say grids, I'm referring to the 1993 to 1997 LT1 style grid taillights. Okay, I assume these were our grid styles because the box said 93 to 97, but I can see now that they're not. This is a different custom design that we came up with, which we call wings, but it uses the 93 to 97 style bird as the wings. Let's see if I can get this. There we go. Let's get tape and junk on it. Okay. So the idea is you would have these on your car and it would look like two wings spreading out. So I get a little further back so you can see. We just took the wings of the bird and we brought them here, and then it does light up. So if you use like a red bulb, that'll light up red. We can make the wings of the bird yellow, red, whatever color you want to. But yeah, and then we use the 98 to 02 style circle lens on these because that's the only lens mold we had at the time. We only have one box left, so I know 100%. I can now show you the actual grid tail lights, but I'm glad I thought of it now. Here you see a circle for the reverse light because that's the 98 to 02 style. We had a grid lens that was a hybrid that had the grid style on this lens, the circle lens, but now we actually have a flat lens available. Let me just get these out of the way and stop talking about them and get the grids over here to show you 1993 to 97 LT1 style grid taillights. After much ado, LT1 style grids. So like I said, these are the samples they sent us. We're still using the stock housing back there that has the circle reverse light, but we have a flat lens now. So we need to diffuse this area a little more so that you can't see the circle back there. OEM use like a glass reflector. We may do something like that as well. We may decide that we don't need as much as that in the housing and take some of it out. That's a decision we're still making based off of these guys that came in. I don't know, I'm holding this one backwards. But flat lenses, replace your LT1s that always delaminate and look horrible. They've got some line work to fix over here, and we need to address hiding that part in the housing. This is the process, guys. If you've been following the channel, I mean, this started back in 2006. I just made clear lenses so that we could put them on our stock housings and turn them into honeycomb clear. And then that product kind of sucked. And then eventually technology caught up and I could do it in a different way. And we started making them again, but then like people really just needed those red OEM ones. Like taillights started really falling apart. So we went through every different type of molding style. It ended up in 3D printing. It was pretty slow, but it was getting the job done. And then a 3D printer left the business. But you know, we went ahead and moved forward with these guys, these full housings. So it has been, oh Lord, probably at least 4 years to 6 years total working on getting to this final stage. So yeah, when I see that I can still see the reflector through here, it's disheartening, but it's like the 6 others are great. We have a few other styles as well. Like I said, we had the hybrid grids with the bird, the 93 to 97 style bird as well. But so much closer. One little tweak, which luckily is just in like a lens design. It's an easy thing for us to do, and we are there. That is it for today. I just wanted to show people some proof of life. The new company we have was able to do everything together all at once. So it's not piecemeal and it's not slow and it's quicker. And these are the samples and they were great. You know, let us know what you think of the samples in the comments. Again, these are test samples. If you see something wrong, please let us know. That's something that we can address. Like I said, the main thing is just that one. You know, I can see through that too much, which just means I think they went a little light on the diffusion because it was a reverse light. But we learned with the honeycombs, diffusing the reverse light actually helps you see better. But people don't like the looks because it's not the way the factory did it. So we're gonna figure out a solution for that. In the meantime, thanks for watching. As soon as we get any more in here, I'll show you. Again, we have a wide body coming soon. Things are slowly finally getting to like move for us in a positive direction so that we can get everything to you guys and have a bunch of awesome cars out there. As of today, these are gonna go out to some guys because we had some test pieces that had no problems whatsoever. So that's just me getting in my head going back to work right now and starting to box some things. Raul, you're gonna have some taillights soon, lots of other people too. Anybody waiting, we're gonna have our full shipment soon. These are all approved. We're tweaking the LT1s. That's about 4 guys right now. But their tweaks are quick within days, so we'll be good. I'm rambling. Thanks you guys again for watching. I'm gonna keep making as much content as I can since we're in the new space. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments so I know what to even show you guys. Gonna be wide bodying this car, turning it into a prototype IROC Z 4th gen. So there's gonna be a lot of new stuff. Hopefully you're subscribed, hopefully you like the stuff. If not, let me know. Thanks guys.